The most common file handling mistake in Python? Forgetting to close files properly, which can lead to data loss or file corruption. Let's learn the right way to write files. To open a file for writing, use the built-in open function with mode W. This returns a file object you can write to. The W mode is for write mode. If the file doesn't exist, Python creates it. If it does exist, Python truncates it, erasing all previous content before writing. The best practice is to use a with statement. This creates a context manager that automatically closes the file when you're done, even if an error occurs. You never have to manually call close. Write your content using the write method inside the with block, and Python handles cleanup for you. Understanding modes is crucial. Write mode W overwrites the entire file, starting from scratch. Append mode adds content to the end without erasing existing data. Choose W when you want a fresh file, and when you want to preserve and extend what's already there. There are other useful modes too. Mode X creates a new file exclusively and fails if the file already exists, preventing accidental overwrites. You can also specify encoding like UTF-8 to properly handle international characters in text files. Remember, use with open with the right mode for safe, automatic file handling. Now go practice writing some files and level up your Python skills. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.